Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today and what can we expect in the market tomorrow. So what we discussed, we'll see the chart and then we'll discuss. So what we discussed, this scenario match actually. So if market go breaks or this breaks this today's low, right? We can go for short 100 points. I think market gave that one. So but the volatile is so big that personally I could not take it because the stop loss is very high. So we have to leave the market some days because of this. Like if you see the point that broke this one, right, it's huge actually. So it was like 50-60 points. If it comes back, the stop loss will be very high. I don't want to give more than 30-35 points of stop loss, more than that. So like I missed this trade, so it's okay. So coming to tomorrow, what can we expect from the market is that if market breaks 21,820 gap up and closes green candle, we can expect market moving up actually. If breaks this today's low, we can expect market going down. These are the two scenarios. The third scenario, if it opens flat, wait for the first swing either side, and whichever side it breaks, take the direction. Market will go in that direction. For example, if market flat opens and then goes like this and breaks this, it'll go up. And if it goes down and breaks this again, it'll go down. That one will go up. And if it goes up and then could not close and comes and breaks down, it will come down. If it moves up and could not break the below one and breaks up, it will go up. So these are the four conditions that we can see it in the market tomorrow if it is a flat condition. If it is a gap up and gap down scenario, it will be at least better. We can see this one direction, this below this one will go down, above this the market will go up actually. So it would be very simple scenarios if there are gap up and gap down scenario. But flat case, there are 4 5 scenarios that will be matching. So these are the maximum, these are the four things actually. So coming to Bank Nifty, I think we discussed this yesterday that this is in a box. Market is traveling in a box, so it will try to break one side, which will be a fake breakout, and then it will come and break the other side. I think Bank Nifty has been doing consistently that it gives a wrong breakout, fake breakout, and then taking the other direction and giving bigger target. So this one did, and you can see this also same. It gave a very big down, which you cannot take it. Probably like this was the only trade that was possible yesterday if somebody has done the break. This one for Bank Nifty, this was a trade which gave 250 points definitely. So this was a good trade, but yeah. So whoever knows the price action, they could be able to take it. But coming to what can you expect from the market tomorrow for Bank Nifty is that if there is a gap down, maximum target is 44473 is that maximum target I'm seeing it. After that, let's we have to wait for the swing. Which swing? If it breaks up, it will go up. If it breaks down further, it will go down. So these are the two things. So market definitely will gap down and come on. This is the target, maximum target I'm seeing. 44456 is the maximum target I'm seeing it. After that, we have to see the price action, which is if it moves, if it creates a W pattern, it will go up. If it creates M pattern, it will go down. So very simple for Bank Nifty that ways. Reliance, so we said market, it will be, we have to, it has to break this high. So if you see a rejection, you can go for entry and market give 20 points target. Once it give, I think our target is done. The market, I think, sideways and it closed higher only today. So tomorrow, what can I expect is this is above only 2950 above only. If market breaks, we can take a trade for long. If you see a rejection or if it is gap up and then comes and closes inside, go for short. Market will come for 20 points down. And if it is a gap down, I think gap down again we'll see. We'll wait for W pattern to go for high only. So I don't see unless this breaks this trend line, market will go down. So in this region, we could see the market being fluctuation. which is forming a triangle. If you see the 30 minutes, I think it is trying to form a triangle. So in this converging symmetrical triangle, unless it breaks the side on of the trend line, we may not be able to trade. But only in the case of gap up about 2250, we can see market going up. If we see a rejection here, market will come down again inside the triangle. This is what we could see it. So this is what I have it for today. I think if you're liking this video, you can like this video if you really could see the value of it, and subscribe to this channel if you're not done so. And before closing, I just want to open the slide so that we kind of have just captured this one. So gap down short scenario, 218 below 21860, market give 100 points, it gave. And expectation tomorrow is about 21820 is long, target is 100 points, gap down 21660. These are all plain scenarios that we are talking about. Only the flat scenario is a complicated one. So if it is a first, whichever the swing it breaks, market will take the direction and then go. If it is breaking up, it'll go up. If it breaks down, it'll come down. So simple scenarios, we keep it. And yeah, this is today. Thanks for watching this video.